The GE series is a high-end overhead gantry style, high-speed 5-axis machining center. The machine tool features an all-electric drive design and employs advanced linear motors and torque motor technology for direct drive. Achieve a zero backlash, zero wear transmission mode. Traditional wear-prone components such as worm gears, worm shafts, and belts have been eliminated. This ensures that the machine maintains high precision over the long term. The GE series is specifically designed for the machining of aerospace aluminum alloy structural components, automotive die casting molds, and high-precision parts. It is capable of efficiently completing complex machining tasks. The core strengths of the GE series, in its exceptional durability and reliability. The contact-free transmission design based on linear motors and vertical motors enables the machine tool to maintain high-precision operation permanently. Incorporating direct drive technology with linear motors enables the machine tool to achieve a rapid traverse speed of up to 60 meters per minute. It also ensures high stability, high precision, and excellent acceleration and deceleration performance, which significantly improves machining efficiency. The advantages of linear motors include zero backlash, maintenance-free operation, and permanent precision retention, and simplified traditional ball screws. Wear-prone transmission mechanisms such as rack and pinion systems, further reducing maintenance costs. The column adopts a high-rigidity monolithic structure, which significantly enhances the overall rigidity and stability, and is suitable for high-intensity machining requirements. In response to the thermal displacement issues caused by temperature fluctuations in the workshop environment, Precision Engineering has adopted a symmetrical weighing structure with a box-in-box design. The torque motor of Precision Engineering, which is independently developed, directly drives the dual-axis insert head. By employing non-contact transmission technology, it completely eliminates the risk of wearing and ensures long-term precision stability. The GE series is equipped with an HSK A63 high-speed spindle and an HSK A100 high-torque spindles. The overhead crane design optimizes the handling process for large workpieces, shortens the machining cycle, and simultaneously reduces the physical workload on operators. The GE series offers flexible operating system options. The system can be equipped with the Heldenhain system or the Siemens system, or the independently developed C80+ system. These options meet the operating habits and machining needs of different users. We are your partner for providing excellent return on investment with special metalworking solutions.